Hi, and welcome to Classic Kitchens, etc. My name is Jay Adams, and I'm the VP of Sales and Design for Classic Kitchens, etc. I've been doing this for 21 years. Our showroom has all the parts and pieces needed to design a custom kitchen or bathroom, so we're a one-stop shop. From the moment you meet me and my employees, you'll get the feeling that we are knowledgeable, we're professional, and we operate with the utmost integrity. So the average bathroom remodel takes about 3 to 4 weeks, and the average kitchen remodel takes about 4 to 5 weeks. But you are involved in the process, knowing who's going to be in your home, who's going to be there that day, who's coming next. These are the things that can help alleviate stress. Information is key to that. You can be assured you'll get the highest quality products and the highest quality service. So sit back, relax, and let's make it a classic.